In this episode, we will roast a pork shoulder along with some vegetables, and we will show you our secret, how we cook any meat to perfection. You don't need any special knowledge to get perfect results every time. In the past, we struggled a lot to get good and consistent results, but now it's a child's play. For this recipe we used potatoes, white and red onions. You can add any vegetable you love. Ground pepper, salt, olive oil, butcher's twine, and a nice deboned pork shoulder. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. We will start by washing and cutting up our potatoes in big chunks. We clean a few white onions and we cut them in four. We do the same with the red onions. We put all the vegetables in a bowl and we sprinkle some olive oil on top and we season with salt and ground pepper. This is a basic seasoning, feel free to adjust it to your taste. We mix them together and we set them aside. One of the best cuts of meat for a roast is the pork shoulder. It has a good amount of fat, and at the end we will get a nice crunchy skin with juicy meat inside. You can roast this way many kinds of meat, but we recommend pork shoulder or a pork belly. We usually debone it so we can make it a roll. This way we can be sure that the meat thickness is the same and it will be perfectly cooked everywhere. We season it with salt, ground pepper, and we roll it. We cover the roll with olive oil and we season it on the outside too. Our meat is ready for roasting, so let's get to it. Our secret to ensure we cook it to perfection is the Meter Plus. It is very simple to use. You just connect it to their app and you select the type of meat you want to cook along with the temperature, and the meter will do the rest. We are delighted that the guys from Meter sent us this wireless thermometer. We used their products for more than a year and it made cooking a lot easier. We roast the meat at 250 degrees Celsius or 482 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly 10 minutes, until we see that the skin is crackling and it gets a brownish color. We then continue roasting it at 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. In the last 30 minutes we add vegetables with a cup of water. Our dish is ready, so we remove it from the heat and we let the pork shoulder rest for 10 minutes. If you use this amazing device, not only that it tells you how much time it needs to be cooked, but it even tells you how much you have to wait until the meat rests. We cut the twine and we slice it up. The meat is juicy and tender while the skin is super crispy. We serve it with the roasted vegetables and some horseradish cream. If you enjoyed our video, then please subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Stay safe and see you on the next one. Also, let us know if you used this product before and if you liked it. We are eager to know your experience.